At Synapse, we have one ambition: helping people to share their knowledge. It is our DNA, the essence of each of our products. In a world where information goes obsolete faster and faster, where updates are constant, to share knowledge efficiently, you need to put innovation at the heart of everything, to look forward.
Today I will introduce a new feature of a Synapse chatbot technology, the Evolutive Displayer. As you will see, the Evolutive Displayer is an innovation of usage at the service of a technical innovation. Before going into details, I would first like to present the broader context in which it takes place. The transmission of knowledge is a major challenge for organizations at all levels: human resources, production, procedure, distribution, and trade. Access to information, its maintenance over time, and its effective transmission are actions of fundamental value. They enable the capitalization of knowledge held by the members of organizations. By enabling better accessibility, personalization, and efficiency of service, conversational agents, better known as chatbots, have the potential to improve knowledge transmission, customer services, and care. Chatbots are computer systems designed to simulate human conversations and are some of the best potential tools for the transmission of knowledge. These systems are being used in more and more fields, including healthcare, finance and insurance, administration, and transport. However, search assistant chatbots can be a heavy draw on resources in an organization. Often, a dedicated team is needed to set up the chatbot and maintain the index knowledge as it changes and evolves. Now, the approach to this setup and maintenance needs to change for this technology to reach the disruptor status it should have and become ubiquitous in knowledge transmission. The core of a chatbot solution is usually based on a dialogue management system that decides when and what to respond to the user and what information to look for in a knowledge index. Recent advances in deep learning techniques have improved the performance and adaptability of dialogue systems. But, as always with deep learning technology, the issue is where to find the right data. Where is the data to adapt to a new task? Where is the freshest data in large enough quantity to tune the models to recent changes and avoid the degradation of the initial performances? It is a well-identified problem. Tuning models to fit to new knowledge requires the accumulation of a large training dataset, difficult to gather in highly specialized domains where the cost of involvement of experts and their availability is critical. Very concretely, the wide diffusion of dialogue systems and their adoption by industry is hampered by the high cost of qualified data collection. Now, the Evolutive Displayer technology we developed precisely addresses this issue. Based on a confidence score and previous user feedback, the displayer can dynamically adjust the list of accessible results. Practically, the interaction system we developed has the ability to open the list of results for exploration, according to the degree of confidence corresponding to every answer in the predicted result list, by dynamically expanding or narrowing the list of displayed answers. This promotes user confidence and encourages the adoption of the systems from its initial version. The Evolutive Displayer ensures a smoother conversational path than traditional chatbots and search engines. Thus, access to the right information is secured. Another benefit is that this technology allows chatbot to learn continuously and much faster than traditional solutions. Thanks to the feedback learning loop mechanism, the degree of uncertainty associated with the answers progressively decreases, rapidly for the most frequent questions that have received feedback, and then gradually for most user questions. At the very core of this innovation are contribution incentive functionalities to facilitate user feedback learning. It helps to collect user feedback by encouraging the involvement of a community of users in the elaboration of commonly shared knowledge. Each user both learns from and educates the chatbot while interacting with it, improving knowledge accessibility and transmission in its organization. By improving the dialogue model leveraging user feedback, the Evolutive Displayer allows easy knowledge maintenance and provides a solution to deal with fast-evolving knowledge. Hence, it allows for cost-free improvements and maintenance to the system, compared to the costly manual annotations that are needed to build a comparable quality system, or to maintain it to bear the changing knowledge. The key to that innovation is a rich interactive system thought from the origin to gain user engagement, to promote user contribution, and to improve the system continuously. And this is essential to the long-term success of a chatbot solution dedicated to knowledge access and transmission.
You already get that it is essential to put humans at the heart of innovations, to support them and to go further together in a world where machines do not evolve against or in parallel with humans, but evolve to serve them.